Hi everyone, today I'm going to present you the 5-in-1 pocket screwdriver from Tools Mule. I initially bought it to fix up my glasses, but I ended up using it for so many other things, like my watch, my PS4 controller, my girlfriend jewelry box, and so on. I can definitely say this is a mandatory tool to have around the house because you can fix with it anything that has small tiny screws. Now let's see how the screwdriver looks like, where you can find the bits and how it works. The screwdriver will arrive in a small plastic bag together with this nice thank you card. Now initially you might think something is missing, the bits, right? Don't worry, here comes the cool part. The bits are stored inside the screwdriver, which comes in handy because you don't have to carry a bag with you anymore or a case. You don't have to worry about losing the bits and so on. You just put them inside and you're good to go. Now, to access the bits, all you need to do is to pull the top rotating part. Don't worry, you won't break anything, just pull until it opens. And inside you will find 5 screwdriver bits, each for a different type of screw. And as you can see, the bits are magnetic. Now, let's try and use the screwdriver. And for this, I will try to open this screw from my PS4 controller. As you can see, it has a Phillips head. So I'm going to open the fastening system, pick up the Phillips screwdriver bit, place it inside, and we are ready to go. Okay, it works as any other screwdriver. Okay. And that's it. You are done. I must say, it's a high quality screwdriver. It has a good grip. It perfectly fits my hand, as you can see, and it has this cool feature. So I definitely recommend it, and I hope this video will help you take a decision of your own. Thank you. See you later.